Hello. You're here to learn about working remotely as a proofreader. Let's get started. What does a proofreader do? A proofreader is responsible for meticulously reading over a piece of content, which may be an article, book chapter, report, marketing copy, etc., making sure that the content is free of errors before it is published in print or online. Proofreaders are good at checking for spelling, grammar and typographical errors, and they keep a sharp eye out for blatant omissions of words or words that don't quite belong in a sentence. While proofreading is similar to editing, the two jobs differ in that a proofreader is the final person to look over the content and make notations where corrections should be made. Editors usually do the editing before the final proofing and may have other duties such as content planning and making revisions. Employers of proofreaders include book and media publishers, newspapers, advertising agencies, employment services, public relation firms, and business service providers. How much can you make? Proofreaders can earn anywhere from $41,500 to just under $69,000 a year. What training do you need? Some proofreading jobs require a college degree, and there may also be a requirement to have previous experience in a particular niche industry. And while many professional proofreaders hold English or journalism degrees, other degrees are acceptable. The main thing employers want to see is your ability to show a high degree of competency in the English language. Having said that, if you don't have a college degree, your desire to become a proofreader is still possible if you take a proofreading course to learn the basics and find ways to get some experience. Keep in mind that having a degree doesn't automatically make someone a good proofreader. Proofreading job skills. Attention to detail. You should have a keen eye for catching errors of all kinds. Communications. You have strong verbal and written communication skills. Grammar and spelling. You have an intermediate to master skill level for grammar use and spelling. Independence. You are able to work independently and manage your time well to get projects done on time. Word processing and software. You are comfortable using Word, Excel spreadsheet and already know, or you are open to learning editorial software. Tips. Get familiar with the AP Style Guide and the Chicago Manual of Style. A proofreading job may require proofreaders to proof content that adheres to AP or Chicago Style Guide rules. Get familiar with proofreading marks and how to use them. I hope this information is helpful to you in landing a great job. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.